Hello, fashionistas. Welcome to eFashion World. I believe you are familiar with Bubu styles and Kaftan, and today's video is all about these two styles. What makes the difference is that these sets of Bubu and Kaftan styles are the latest, the newest. In terms of Bubu and Kaftan that are out there right now, they are all very gorgeous, delectable, fascinating, eyes pumping and breathtaking. They are lovely and impeccable styles that you surely be proud of as an African putting on these anywhere across the globe. Imagine you in the US, Canada, Spain, or any other European countries, and you have this on. Most definitely, when you walk on this road, you are going to be a kind of look onto person. All eyes are going to be on you because of the eccentric nature of these styles. And they are made with Ankara fabric, Adire, and Ashore. Okay, these are the three prominent fabrics that you will see that are turned into these terrific, awesome, beautiful, gorgeous Bubu and Kaftan styles rolling by on your screen. As usual, sit back, relax, and get that maximum styles inspiration from these styles we have brought to you today, from the beginning to the end. And most definitely, you will be glad you did. All props and credits in this video goes to those iconic fashion designers who are behind this masterpiece, the best of African fashion rolling back on your screen, and avail us the opportunity of showcasing them as usual to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. Enjoy this lovely video. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Share this video with family and friends for us to really spread the trend of African dresses and styles across the world. And give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting. And if you find yourself here for the first time, you are most definitely welcome to eFashion World, that broad spectrum on the cyberspace where the best of African fashion are showcased. Hit on the subscribe button and put on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime we drop a lovely video full of fascinating styles like this on this very platform. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African.
everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low, wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Right before I go, that's the time that I'm gonna show all the crazy things that I'm gonna do to you, baby. Ooh, I want you to make me uncomfortable. Wow. The only thing I need tonight, you're gonna give it to me right. Give me everything that you got to give. Baby, show me the light. Wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now I wanna go downstairs, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy.
Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.